So, wait a minute, tell me about my unit, my heart's all in it. I just wanna. Hey y'all, welcome back to FlyTube. As y'all can see by the title, we finna get into the natural hairstyles. If you new here, hey, hi, what's up? Welcome to the Fly crew, okay? And if you returning, how y'all doing? As you can see, I tried a new color. And I wanted to just try something new, honestly. And I haven't had a full head of hair, I want to say, since about 2013, 2014. So for me to even have a full head of hair right now, it says a lot. So with that being said, I was like, I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna grow my hair out, I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna dye it now and upkeep with this color until silk press season. Cause y'all not gonna tell me that these colors is not gonna go crazy when silk press season comes. And I'm not even gonna lie, I'm honestly liking the fro too. The fro's cute. The fro's cute. I don't think I ever had a fro, for real. At least one to embrace, cause you know, we're not gonna talk about it. But I did just come back from the hair store. You know, I always had a shortcut or whatever the case might be. I never really had a reason to put my hair in a ponytail until I wanted to do the hairstyle that I'm going to do today. And I'm probably just going to put a picture right here of the hairstyle. This is the look I'm going for. You know, I know what y'all thinking, like, is my hair even long enough for that? Watch how I make it happen. Because of course I'm going to be adding hair. I'm a hairstylist. I'm a braider. I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna achieve every style that is presented to me. Okay. So I finally got a hairbrush because I do have to put half of my hair in a ponytail, and I needed a wide tooth comb because I had a purple wide tooth comb that I took from my mother, and now I don't know where the purple wide tooth comb is at, so I had to buy another one. I am gonna be adding some jewels. I don't know if y'all can see. I'm gonna be adding some jewels. I definitely did need some wrapping paper. So the ponytail is gonna be slick because 4C hair people, y'all know what's up. And of course, bobby pins. I did order some hair off of Amazon. I ordered this color hair for my purple pieces. This was the best color I was going to get to, you know, want to even do something to my hair. So I'm gonna just cut it like right here and just only use the bottom half. I know it's probably a waste of hair, but... And then I also was able to find some pink Marley hair. So, and this is what I'm gonna mix these two to make a ponytail. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. As y'all can see, I already parted the back out, so now I'm just trying to get the front parted so I could start these two braids. I'm not gonna lie, doing my own hair is brutally annoying, but I don't want nobody else to do my hair, so what am I supposed to do? So I'm gonna section off that part, and then I have to get my parts straight. If my parts is not straight, I'm going to get very frustrated, and I'm gonna keep doing it until I can't do it no more. So now I added, you know, excuse me. Now I added the edge control, well, the gel to my scalp because, you know, that part, I'm only putting 2 braids in my head, so that part gotta be so straight. I don't even think I understand. Like, I don't really got edges, so I'm over here trying to like, you know, part it so I can swoop it into the braid, and it's just, I was getting a little frustrated there. I'm glad I didn't show it on camera though. But you know, these are the couple products that I use. Slick and Slay by Aisha. Of course, the Got To Be. And I am slicking this ponytail down, y'all. I used some Got To Be gel. I never had a hard brush, y'all, because I never had a full head of hair. Well, let me not say I never had a full head of hair. I haven't had a full head of hair within the last like 9 to 10 years. So I never really had a need for a hard brush until now. So, you know, we're going to slick that into a nice ponytail. as much as I possibly can, because you know the crochet hair is gonna be on top of it. I do use some spritz to get so my hairs can stay. 4C people, y'all know what's up. So I just spray that a little bit and I just rub it in and I brush it in and before I put the strips on. And I realized when I was putting these strips on that I got small strips. Like, I didn't get the long ones, so I was really struggling. I couldn't really tie them. I was looking real dumb at the end of me putting these flipping strips on my head. And I'm just like, I really hope this ponytail stays, because what did I think I was doing? Like, let's be for real right now. Please leave me alone.
Oh,
please.
Oh shit, no. All I do is play all day. Please, blow. Don't blow on this turn.
All right, now that I got that ponytail slick, we just gonna braid my hair down. Everyone normally asks me, how do I braid my hair, my own hair? Let me tell you how I know when I do my hair, it be looking nice, really nice. And people always ask me like certain hairstyles why I don't record. I get so frustrated doing my own hair, y'all. Like, I don't even know how to. Sometimes I really don't even know how to explain how to do certain things, because I literally just be going by the grace of God. Like, we really gonna thank him upstairs all the time, because when I tell you I was struggling to do these two braids, like, braiding my hair to the back is easy. Braiding my hair any other direction but the back is a struggle, like a struggle. But I'm very grateful. I did not give up. I'm just, you know, trying my best. And honestly, I was not giving up. But now we're at the end of the braid, and this is really where I was struggling, because when I braid when I braid my own hair, well, I feel like when I braid in general, I braid underhand. So when I do my own hair, I be having to flip the braid and do all that extra stuff. But you know, we be getting through it, y'all. We get through it. Got to be these edges, my 4C people. I'm gonna keep shouting this out because, listen, I know what it feels like to have edges that just don't want to agree with you. I know, trust me. We be having to use so many products just to get them edges laid. And let me tell y'all how sometimes I don't even care. For real. Don't even care. I try my best to do what I gotta do. But for this hairstyle, I'm wearing two big braids, so I'm trying to slick that down as much as possible. All right, now we're on the second braid, and I feel like this braid was just a bit easier. I really struggled on the first braid, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm not gonna say I didn't struggle on this braid. I know y'all see me struggling, but it took me a while to get there, but I got there. And the braids, they're coming together, y'all. They are very much so coming together. It's hard trying to add hair and braid your own hair down, make sure your edges laid, like putting these pieces through. Comment down below if you want me to go into more details on how I do my own feed-in braids, because I was really just trying to get this hairstyle done before I went to work. So that's why it's all sped up, and I really didn't, you know, take my time. So now that the hard part is done, time for the easy part. I'm going to open my packs of hair. I tried to get the closest pink to my hair, and this was my best bet, guys. So this is what we're going with. And how are we gonna do this ponytail? Let me show y'all. Okay, so I want a big puff. So with that being said, I'm gonna use the whole thing. At first I was just gonna use like probably half of this, but I want the puff to be kind of big so I could pin it and like do what I want to do with it. So yeah, what I am going to do is, let me show you how I'm gonna put this on my head as soon as I can find the hair tie that I just put out. It's underneath the other hair. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my hair tie and I'm gonna tie it around the middle of the bundle. Like this, and then pull this through. So that, you know, it looks like a ponytail. And then what I'm going to do is, let me actually put this camera a little bit up so y'all can see my head. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some of these purple pieces to the ponytail. Give me 1 second. Okay, so I was able to cut some purple pieces off. I'm gonna try to stretch this so it doesn't look, you know, like I cut it. Stretch this out, fluff this out a little bit. You know, I have a purple patch back here, so gotta make that work in here somehow. So what I am gonna do is I'm gonna take a crochet needle and I'm just gonna pull it through the rubber band, just so it can have that purple streak in there. Let's see if this actually works. So I just stick it through the rubber band and I just add that little purple piece through the rubber band. Oh. Let's hope I don't break this, because this is like not efficient for real. Okay. Okay. So now we got a little bit of purple in there. And kind of want to stretch it out, like, so I can get that purple feel for real. I got a little bit of purple in there. Depending on how I put it on. So I got a purple patch. I might put it on this way. The purple's in the back. But if I do have to add another purple piece, why do I have this in my mouth? If I do have to add another purple piece, I will. We're gonna go ahead and put this on right now. Fluff this out. Make it look like an actual ponytail real quick. And then we are just going to, you know, well, this is a little stupid, but I'm just gonna put it on there, make sure it's secure, right? And then I'm gonna just bring it around to the front. I need the purple to be in the back. And this is where the bobby pins come in, because we want to pin this down first of all so that, you know, it's over my ponytail. Right, okay. And we also want to like push it up a little bit and just add a couple pins in there, because I want it to look, you know, like it's supposed to be coming out of my scalp. Okay. Okay, and I could just tuck some of these pieces in. I need to make sure this is like secure on my head though. So I'm gonna bobby pin a little piece right here. Okay. Okay. We are making it work. And then I'm gonna bobby pin this little piece under here real quick. You know, I gotta like hide the bobby pins as well. Okay. Something real slight, something real cool. Okay, see, that bobby pin was not secure because what the freak? There we go. You know, real cute, real cute. So now with these pieces, we're just gonna wrap them around the base of the ponytail. But I got my ponytail on, I'm gonna wrap my 2 braids around the ponytail so that, you know, it definitely stays in place. Let me tell y'all how I put this ponytail on and I was not confident. I'm so glad I bought the bobby pins and I'm pinning it down. I'm flushing it out. I don't know. I'm really not feeling it at this point. Like, I can honestly tell y'all I was not feeling the hairstyle. I felt like it was just too much. I don't know. But I just had to keep messing around with it until I liked it. And that's what I did. I fluffed it out a little bit. I added some bobby pins. I'm just looking in the mirror and trying to figure out what I'm about to do because I'm just not feeling it right now. It's just too much. So maybe if I put it in a bun, it would look a little bit better. But, like, I don't know. I'm gonna have to play around with this a little bit and I'll get back on the camera, y'all. Okay, so I thought making it a bun would look better, being that I have these two braids in the front. I feel like the big puff would look cute if I didn't have the two braids in the front, if I actually wanted a big puff on my head, because it was getting real cute for a second. But I think this is honestly more subtle because I don't even got that much hair on my head. So what I was trying to really do for real. But this is cute. I tried to add a little bit of purple in it, but it's mixed in with the bun. I know y'all see a little purple patch back here, but this is how your girl is looking right now. I'm about to fix my edges. Okay, so I did get some gems to add onto these braids, but I think I'm gonna do my edges first so that I can add, you know, the final touches of my gems. Okay, so right now I'm adding some got to be on my edges because I'm not gonna stop saying it. 4C people, y'all understand the struggle. We be having to gel our edges down about 1,000 times, put a scarf on, maybe even blow dry it a little bit to get it to stay in place. And let me tell y'all, even when I had this hairstyle, I still had to keep, you know, gelling my edges down every day. And I'm not one to really go to sleep with my scarf on my head, so I always have to fight with my edges. And I haven't had a kitchen in a very long time, y'all. So I had to make sure I got that right too, because I used to always have an undercut. I had an undercut since I was 17 years old, and this is new to me. This is definitely new to me. I know y'all saw that little piece of hair that I forgot in the back. Struggles of doing your own hair. You know, when you do somebody else's hair, you could fix that very easily. But when it comes to your own hair, let me tell y'all how I don't care. I'm gonna tuck it and I'm gonna put it away until I find a reason to solve it. So I'm just adding my black strips, trying to get these edges laid, trying to get the back of my kitchen laid. We're gonna add this blow dryer. Make sure it dries very nice. Let me tell y'all how I was sick and tired of this blow dryer at the end of this thing. So now I'm going to start adding my jewels to the braids, just like the picture had them. I found these little elephant jewels. If you know, or if you don't know, let me let y'all know. My favorite animals are elephants and turtles. So anything I got to do with elephants and turtles, your girl is grabbing it. So when I went to the hair store, I found these little heart gems and these little elephant gems. And I'm like, oh, yes, this is exactly what I need. I'm going to make it work. And it just made my hairstyle look just so cute. Like, and look at me tucking these edges again. But, you know, the hairstyle came out cute. Of course, I had to put some lip gloss on so I could really feel myself. But we here, y'all.